AQA sample paper level 2 calculator question 4. Circle a calculation that increases 260 by 17%. This sort of question often causes problems for students because it assumes the method that the student would want to use to solve this problem matches the method that the exam paper gives us one of its answers. And most students would not do this problem in any of these ways. Most people will do 260 times 17%, so out of 100. Type that into a calculator and you'll get an answer of £44.20. And that is not 260 increased by 17%. That's 17% of 260. To get 260 increased by 17%, we've got a second step. We need to do the 260 plus the 17%. That gives us the correct final answer of £304.20. But this isn't the method shown here. This part of the calculation is actually the same thing as this, because 17 divided by 100 is the same as 0.17. But this isn't our final answer, so we can't circle that. Circling that is wrong. We won't get any marks. In fact, the one we need to circle here is this one. The reason is 260 times a 1 is 260, which gives us this part of the answer, but we're multiplying by 1.17 here, and that 0.17 is this part and gives us this. So this sum gives us this bit and this bit combined. Put that into a calculator and you'll find you get the same answer out. And when you're solving a problem like this with a calculator, this is by far the most efficient method and the one it's best to know if you can get your head around why it works. So for this 1 mark question, we don't need to show any of this working out. That was just me explaining why this is the right answer. All we need to do is recognize that this is the right answer and circle it. However, given it's a calculator question, if you're not sure, you could do all 4 of these sums on your calculator quickly and you will get answers of 260.17, 44.2, 261.17 and this correct answer. Now you won't know for sure which is the correct answer, but you ought to be able to get an approximate feel. Here we're increasing 260 by nearly 20%. This is clearly wrong because it hasn't increased 260, and these two are barely more than 260. So if we actually got these 4 answers from our calculator, we'd be able to guess quite easily that this is the right answer. Better to know that it's the right answer, of course. Right, that's all we need to do on that one.